Good afternoon, children. I hope the sound and the picture is clear. Somebody has written the video is not running. I think you need to check your internet, please. Okay. So first we will just revise the chapter and then we will continue with the class. Okay. So previously what did we learn? We learned a model of Earth is called globe. A model of the right? Okay. Second is we cannot see everything on the globe. We have to rotate it to see all the different kinds of places. Sorry. Then it is not easy to carry. It is not easy for us to carry a globe and take it everywhere. So the map solves the problem. And what is a map? Maps are the drawings of the part of the earth or the whole of the earth. Okay, again I'll read. Maps are the drawings of the part of the earth or the whole of the earth. A map can be big or small. Big maps are called wall maps. Okay. So this is a globe. Children, if there is anything which you don't understand, you will ask me when I will tell you to ask. Okay. And so the big maps or small maps, big maps are called wall maps, which we can also hang and see. A book of maps is called an atlas. What is a book of maps called? It is called an atlas. The blue color shows water. The brown color shows all the land masses of the earth. See over here it's like this. Blue is water and the land masses are the colored portion. Now, in oceans, what are Pacific Oceans, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean? The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean while the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. There is one more ocean, that is the Antarctic Ocean or the Southern Ocean. Apart from the oceans, there are several small water bodies. Water bodies? Water bodies are like sea, rivers and lakes. This is a world map, children. This whole thing is known as a world map. Here you will see the continent as well as the oceans. Now are the continents. There are 7 continents. And so what are the continents? Repeat after me. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Asia is the largest continent while Australia is the smallest continent. See here it is the Australia. This is one continent and Australia is also known as the island continent. Why the island continent? Because it is surrounded with water. all over is water and this is the land. Okay. Now, is there any questions, children? Okay. So we will start directions and subdirections. What is directions? Direction is to show a path, which side you will be going, whether you will take a left turn or a right turn, and then whether you will go straight or you will take a left turn or a right turn or you will go backwards. This is a direction. And the four main directions are north, south, east and west. Repeat after me, children. The four main directions are north, south, east and west. These four main directions, it is easy for you all to understand. Like here it is north, south, east, west. Now, in between north and east, there is one more direction that is known as the northeast direction. North and east, in between this portion is known as northeast direction. Similarly, for north and west, this middle portion is known as northwest. Okay, and now southwest, this portion is south and west. This portion is known as the southwest and this portion is known as the southeast. Now let us read. We have studied in previous class that there are four main directions: east, west, north and south. Besides the main directions, there are also four sub-directions. Now children, those who are having a book, underline, they are underlined from here. There are also four sub-directions. They are northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Again I will repeat, underline from here. There are also four sub-directions. They are northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Okay. Now northeast lies between the north and the east direction. Like I told you, northeast lies between the north and the east. Northwest lies between the north and the west direction. Southeast lies between the south and the east direction. And southwest lies between the south and the southwest. South and the southwest directions. Both directions and subdirections help us in locating a place. Now, how will you locate a place? This is the way you can locate a place. Somebody says that I stay towards the north of Asansol or Jamuria or Chanda. Then you will know which side is north and then we will go towards that side. Okay. Okay children, now let us see what we have. Okay, we have come to an end of this chapter also. So let us see the new words. Over here, there are few new words. It's written new words to know. Globe, a model of earth. Map, drawing of the earth on a flat surface like paper or cloth. Compass, an instrument used to find directions. Oceans, huge water bodies. Atlas, a collection of maps in a book. These are the points to remember, children. Now, children, do you all have any questions to me? Any questions, children? See over here. Over here it is oceans, right? So the question is, what are oceans? So this is your answer. Very large water bodies are called oceans. There are four main oceans. Very large areas of land are called continents. There are 7 continents. What are continents? So this will be your answer. Very large areas of land are called continents. Clear? So, how does direction and subdirection help us? Answer me, children. How does direction and subdirection help us? Is the sound and the picture clear, children? Children, is the sound and the picture clear? Yes, very good. They help us to find places. Okay, now we will be doing the exercise. A is tick the correct answers. Thank you, Rajnandini. Sorry. A. Big maps are called A. World maps, B. Wall maps, C. Guide maps. Which one? Fast. correct options. What is the first answer? Big maps are called wall maps. Those who have a book, please tick on this. Number B, wall maps. It is wall maps. Rajnandini, it's wall maps. Okay. Next is the blue color on the map shows water, sky, land masses. Those who have a book, please mark it on this. Yes, very good. Mark it on your books. Water, very good. It is water. The subdirection that lies between south and west is very good. The subdirection that lies between south and west is called Shankadip Mishra. May I know the name of the student, please? It is southwest. You will not write and in between. You will put a dash, hyphen. It is Saurav, it is southwest, not southeast. It is between south and west. Very good. It will be southwest. Don't forget to write this hyphen. This hyphen is very necessary. Okay. Next. This is the largest ocean in the world. Yes, it is the Pacific Ocean. Let me read out. Everybody can answer then. This is the largest ocean in the world, Pacific Ocean. Joydeep, please go slow. This is the smallest continent in the world. Joydeep has already written Australia. Now the next. True and false. Write, put a tick mark for true and put a cross mark for false, or you can write T and F. Do it in your books, children. Okay. B number 1. easy to carry from one place to another. False. Ashish, go slow. This is false. Map can be either big or small. Thank you, Ashish. Maps can be either big or small. Yes, very true. It can be either big or small. So this is true. There are 5 main oceans. Number 3 is I'm waiting for the answer number 3. Shankar Mishra. Please write your name with your answers. It is false. Very good. It is false. Our country India is located in the continent of Asia. True or false? It is true. It is true. Yes. Rivers and lakes are large water bodies. Rivers and lakes are large water body. True or false? It is false. It is water bodies, but it is not large. Large water bodies are oceans. Very good. So here we have first is false, then is true, then is false, then is true, and then there is false. Now children, what is a globe? Let's go to the points to remember. A model of Earth is called globe. A model of Earth is called globe. You can underline from here. From here you can underline and write number 1. Answer of number 1. And then you all can copy it down in your copies. What are maps? Write 3 sentences about maps. Okay. Right. Over here, underline this line. A map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface. A map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface. Number 1 point. It is easy to carry. It is easy to carry. Big maps are called wall maps. Big maps are called wall maps. Map shows the places in details. Map shows the places in details. Okay, children? Those who can write it, write it. I will be sending you the answers. Very less people are sending me their worksheets and the exercises which we are doing. Name all the sub-directions. Repeat after me, children. Northeast, northwest. Southeast, southwest. How do directions and sub-directions help us? Directions and sub-directions help us by locating a place. How does it help us? By locating a place. Now let's see the fun activity. Children, there are few activities in the worksheet I had given. You have to do those. I think if it is a map work, then do the map if you can and then stick it in your book, classwork book, copy, sorry. And if it is a model making, do it. It is fun making the model. Everybody ready? Now let's see this fun activity. In the word search given alongside circle the largest continent of the earth as well as the ocean named after our country. Largest continent is Asia. I have already got Asia. See, this portion is Asia. A-S-I-A, Asia. And what did it say? As well as the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Now let's look for Indian Ocean. I have got it. I-N-D-I-A-N. Indian. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Those who have a book, please mark. On an outline map of the world, mark the 7 continents and 4 oceans. Use different colors to highlight. This you all do it at home, children, and you have to get an outline map of the world. If you have, you get it. Many of you have a computer. You can take out a printout from there and you can color it. Okay. It is saying mark the oceans and the continents. Okay. Now children, is there any questions? Look at this map, children. This is the political map of India. You all have to learn the places of the states, neighboring countries, the union territories. Union territories are marked with red, round red. See Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, it's over here. Then this is Delhi. Then Puducherry, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Island. And these are the neighboring countries: Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet, China, Pakistan. And let's see the three water bodies we have: Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, and Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is at the side of West Bengal. See here, this full thing, Bay of Bengal. This is the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Here we have the Andaman Sea. This is the Arabian Sea. Towards Maharashtra we have the Arabian Sea. And this is the reason India is known as the peninsula. The southern portion of India is known as the peninsula. See, it's like a cone shape. We all have ice creams, cone ice creams. It just looks like that. Three sides covered with water. A land covered with water from three sides is known as a peninsula. Remember this, children. See, there is something questions. Name the state, union territory in which you live. We all live in West Bengal, so we will write the name right over here, the name of the state. Its capital is Kolkata. Two neighboring states are, one is Jharkhand and second is Orissa. Their capitals you will write. The capital of India you will write. Okay. And then we will do some revision test we will do, and then we will go for our next chapter. Is there any questions, children? Children, please practice map pointing at home. You can see over here the states, the name written of the states. Accordingly, you learn. First, you will see and then you will mark, and then without seeing, you will mark. So I see many of you all have written no questions. Practice map pointing at home, children. Very important is map pointing. These are all your neighboring countries: Pakistan, Nepal, China, Tibet, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka. And two islands we have. One is Andaman and Nicobar Island this, and Lakshadweep is this. These are the water bodies: Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. Over here, of course, I have missed out. Over here is Afghanistan. Thank you, children.